again, and thanks for joining us on our holiday in the Philippines. In our last video, we had the most incredible hike to Mount Pinatubo's Crater Lake, and now we are off to our accommodation in Panglao, in the province of Bohol, the island southeast of Cebu. We'll be flying out of Clark International Airport for an hour and 30-minute flight to Cebu City, where we will catch the ocean jet ferry to Tagbilaran, the port city in Bohol, and from there we will find a motorbike taxi to take us out to our lodging in Panglao. In this video, we'll show you our travel day from Luzon to Bohol via Cebu using a combination of air, boat, and road transport. You can get a direct flight to Panglao out of Manila, but we chose to fly to Cebu and take a ferry to Bohol, since we weren't really in a hurry and we wanted to enjoy the scenery. So we are here at Clark Airport. We are taking a flight to Cebu, and then we're going to find a ferry to Bohol. Clark is a newer airport, very nice and fresh and new.
Look at this carpet.
Oh, the carpet is great. Now just having a quick little breakfast, coffee, and cheese roll. This is altogether about 250 pesos. Oh, pretty good. Okay, this is my first Red Horse. This is one of the very popular beer here in the Philippines. It seems like it's either San Miguel's or Red Horse, which is the strong beer. These guys are like 6.9. The San Miguel's and the San Miguel Lights are like 5. So those guys are better for easy swilling on the beach or wherever. Yeah, I kind of expected it to be kind of like strong in flavor as well as strong in alcohol, but it just tastes like a regular beer. It's not too bad. Yeah, so there you go, Red Horse. Okay, so we are about to board our flight to Cebu, and yeah, we'll see you there.
Padaplin mo gamay.
So we're at the ferry terminal in the Ocean Jet check-in counter line. This terminal here in Cebu is crazy busy. You might have seen it in other vlogs. Yeah, it's no joke. This place is packed, but a lot of action going on. Really excited to hop on a ferry and hit the water and hit Bohol in a couple hours, hopefully.
Do you have anything on the 2 o'clock?
Although we booked online, we wanted to see if we could change to an earlier ferry. If you do this, keep in mind, to rebook you will have to exit the terminal and stand in line at the ticket counter outside, and then re-enter and go through security all over again. Yeah.
We have 2 p.m.
2 p.m.?
Yes,
Okay.
we need to change outside.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
What time?
2.
2 p.m. Very luck.
Huh? Did you say good luck?
₱200.
Cool. We haven't started boarding.
I know, I thought he said good luck.
That's what I thought he said too.
Like good luck catching the ferry. It's like, what?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hi.
What is this one?
This is called pancit canton.
Oh, it's pancit.
Oh. You like pancit?
I love pancit.
Yeah, okay.
And what's this one?
This one, fried fish.
Oh, fried fish? What is here?
This one, it's a pork.
Pork. Okay.
You like pork?
I love pork.
Yeah.
You know what? I'll take this one instead.
Okay.
Can I do that?
Oh,
This is pork,
slowly.
right? Oh no, that's sorry. Macano?
That's 100.
100? How much?
220.
220.
Yeah. I return 10 pesos.
Attention passenger, IIS na nagbilin sa boarding number 4.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Once again, is IIS.
Sorry. Holy crap, that was an experience.
Oh, it's so nice.
I know, right? My ocean jet, you're really bumpy. I know.
Face away. Keep your hand in the barriers. Keep your hand in the barriers.
Yeah. Going to Panglao. But not same hotel, but going to Panglao.
Okay.
You're good at that?
Remember, we wanted to get a tricycle because it might be
Okay,
just,
let's go see if we can find a tricycle.
it might be nice.
It might be fun. You're right.
We might get back to you.
Yeah, we'll see.
Thank you, though.
Sir, I will give you cheaper, sir. Have 3 people. I will give you... How much your budget?
Oh, we've already talked to somebody. Where-
How about... it's okay for you? 500 together? 500.
How? What is it? What kind of car?
Van like this.
Oh yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, that's fine. We were just looking. We were looking for a tricycle.
Sir, must be there like this, sir. Very safe.
No, that's fine. We just wanted to
How
the
much your
open
budget?
air.
It's okay for you. It's open air. No aircon. It's okay. And then you will go now.
Okay.
Here, sir.
Or we're just going.
Yeah, let's just do it.
Let's just do it.
Alright, this is our room. It's our little hut. I mean, it's literally a little hut. And it's got a little deck for hanging out. And it's our little bed. Fan, aircon, little TV. Toilet with the excellent modern advanced feature of the butt sprayer, which I love about Southeast Asia. And yeah, there's our little, this is all you need really. I mean, you got a little bathroom, and you got a little bed to sleep in, fan, probably won't even use the TV, little place to hang out. There's a pool out there. Yeah, this place is great and cheap. Okay, so that was how to get to Bohol from Cebu on a ferry. And yeah, it wasn't that hard. It actually went pretty smoothly today. It probably doesn't go that smoothly for everyone, but I mean, there are little quirks that you have to deal with, but like, you bought the tickets online.
Bought the tickets online.
Yeah.
We gave ourselves a lot of time just in case our flight was delayed. Like there was a 4-hour buffer in there, and our flight was delayed about an hour, so it was good we had that. But we did realize when we got to the ferry terminal that we could probably still get on the earlier ferry. So it took me a minute to work out where to go do that, and it took some time, but we barely got on the earlier ferry, which was really awesome, and got here 2 hours earlier than we would have. So
Yeah, the ferry ride is, I mean, it's nothing spectacular. They don't have like, I mean, they might have a guy like roaming the aisles like with snacks, but you're pretty much meant to stay in your seat for the 2 hours. And then there's like an air conditioned level that's kind of like tourist. This is on
Ocean Jet.
Ocean Jet, yeah, sorry. So on Ocean Jet, the tourist level is, it's an air conditioned car, has a TV, and they were playing like Little Mermaid or something. But you're not meant to get out of your seat. You can't go walk around and go up to the deck or anything.
And they had the aircon jacked up, so
Bring a sweater.
a hoodie or a light blanket or something, because it was cold.
Yeah. Or you can just get the cheaper route and just get the open air on the deck upstairs, which I think we would have been
I think
happier
we would
with.
have enjoyed better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because then if you're up in the open air on the top deck, then at least you get to, see what's going on, and it's a little warmer, you get the breeze. And also, it's also a crazy mad scramble to get your luggage afterwards. So if you just have carry-ons, you're golden, but if you had to check a bag, then it's, yeah man, it's like Fight Club. But
It wasn't that bad. We Fight Clubbed it out.
yeah. It's just like everybody just descends on it, and it's a big cluster.
But do keep those bag tags they give you when you check your luggage.
Oh yeah, keep those.
Because they do look at those to make sure nobody's stealing anything,
Yeah.
which is fantastic. So
You get off the ferry, and you're gonna have a lot of people approaching you to give you rides, and they're all reasonable to get over here. I mean, it's what, like 45-minute drive to get over here to Panglao, if that's where you're going. at least 45 minutes, and you know, it's fairly cheap. I mean, it's probably people gonna offer you rides ranging from 500 pesos up to 800 pesos ish, maybe more. But still, I mean, if you think about it, you know, it's insanely cheap for the long ride you're getting. If you pay a little more, like 800 pesos, you'll probably get a private car. We got a shared bus for 500, which was totally fine. You know, totally cheap. I don't know what 500 pesos works out to USD. It's probably like
$10.
$9 or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, so crazy cheap. There you go. You can do it. Do it. Come to Bohol via ferry. Okay, bye.